Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 118 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we will journey into the Garden of Intentions, a sacred space within you where dreams take root and flourish. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and out. Let your body soften, your mind quiet. Imagine before you a beautiful garden, vibrant, alive, and endless. Every flower, every tree, every sprouting seed is an intention you have planted. Some are in full bloom, radiant, colorful, and dancing in the breeze. Others are tiny, delicate seedlings just beginning their journey upward. You walk barefoot along the soft earth, feeling a deep connection to each living dream. With every step, you offer a whisper of encouragement, a soft watering of faith. Breathe in the scent of fresh growth and breathe out any impatience or doubt. You are the tender gardener of your life, and all things are growing in their perfect time. Take a moment now. See your intentions glowing, thriving under your gentle care. When you are ready, slowly return to the present moment, carrying this peace, this knowing within you. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.